Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my Farmbox Direct order and I'm going to open it up with you. But before I get this box open, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. I post at least one unboxing video a week, sometimes more, and you really don't want to miss any of them. And if you're not new here, but you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay. Let's get this box open. So they have another Harlow's Harvest flyer in here, and I've told you guys about this before. I have nothing to gain from Harlow's Harvest. It just sounds like a really good idea if you have kids. So if you have kids at home, look into Harlow's Harvest. You might find it interesting. And then we have information about their ice packs, and they're reminding me that you can get $10 off your box if you look in the description down below. There's a link. If you want to try Farmbox Direct, there's a link in the description down below. You can get $10 off your purchase, your first purchase. Okay, so again, it's packaged really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but everything is in here so very nicely. And we'll start with Brussels sprouts. We have 2 bags of Brussels sprouts, and again, I forgot this was coming, so I didn't customize. And these are nicely, tightly packed. They're a nice size, and Brussels sprouts are great for cancer prevention. Because I have 2, I'm going to combine them into 1 bag. For efficiency, it's wrapped so nice. I love that they do this. Some green bell peppers. I can use these for dinner tonight, actually. These are nice looking. Next, we have a cauliflower. This is the first time I've gotten a cauliflower from any of these services, oddly enough. This looks nice. In very good condition. It's nice and cool. So don't overlook cauliflower because it might be kind of bland looking, but it's really nutritious. It helps with detoxification and reducing inflammation. I love that they wrap things. It's so nice. We have 2 pears. They look good. Some green leaf lettuce. This looks good. It was wrapped up nicely. They say rainbow carrots, but these are just really orange and yellow carrots. Some plum tomatoes, and these are really nice and firm. Again, they're wrapped so nicely. I know I keep saying it, but I just can't get over the fact that they package and box this so nice. We have some russet potatoes, and these look really good. Very healthy looking potatoes. Good things come in small packages. Ah! Another plum tomato. A zucchini. And I just want to point out that all of these have stickers on them. The ones that can, of course. And they're all organic stickers. And you can tell when something is organic by looking at the sticker, even if it doesn't say organic, because the code will begin with the number 9. That is the easiest way to tell that you're getting something that's organic. An avocado, again, starts with the number 9. And we have these Desi packs again. I'm going to point this out because Farmbox Direct, hands down, does the best job at packaging. And you do pay a little bit more for Farmbox Direct than you would for Misfits or Imperfect Foods. But they go the extra mile with wrapping everything and putting things in the box with care. And they use these Desi packs. And these are anti-humidity packages that help to keep everything fresh in transit. I actually keep them and I throw them in the crisper with the vegetables in the fridge. some apples. And these look good. Very, very nice looking apples. One more pair, so 3 pairs. A grapefruit. Again, I'm just double checking. Number 9. And some oranges. These look really good. And the ice pack is on the bottom of the box, so it didn't crush anything on top of it. And they use this nice insulation to insulate the box with. They really do the best job at packaging. I love Farmbox Direct for that. If only Misfits and Imperfect Foods could do that, I wouldn't need all these different services. Here's what I've got in the sink. And it's substantially less than I got last week from Misfits. But what do you think? Is this a good value for what I paid? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Also, let me know, have you tried Farmbox Direct? Do you like it? Do you not like it? What's your experience been? And remember, if you want to try Farmbox Direct, I have a link in the description down below where you can get $10 off your first order. So go ahead and use that if you want to give it a try. And then leave me a comment and let me know how it worked out for you. I've got lots of freebies for you on my website. Go to aimeericca.com/freebies. You can download as many of them as you want. You don't have to choose just one. And if you're interested in starting your new year off with a fitness or nutrition program, go to aimeericca.com/programs. I have my 28-day transformation. I have my 3 months of group coaching, and I have the 10-day body and mind detox there. And if you use code YouTube, you can get a discount, but it's a limited offer. So you should act quickly because it's going to run out really soon. That's all for now. This is Aimee wishing you happy holidays. I will see you real soon. Bye.